Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, we're going to take a look at EpiCooler, what it offers, and how to use it. So, let's get started. So, what is EpiCooler? According to the websites, EpiCooler is everything that you need for comfort in a portable unit. As you can see, it has the dual cooling and heating, 6 power modes, whisper quiet, energy efficient, portable design, remote touch screen, and built-in safety protection. So if you're suffering from high temperatures, you can say goodbye to that by EpiCooler. And if you're spending too much money on AC, EpiCooler is the solution. And if you're even bothered by fan noise, EpiCooler can help you for that as well. So the main features of it cools your room in minutes, whisper quiet operation, energy efficient climate control, and plug and play with no tools needed. It seems here that it has also many modes like low mode, medium mode, high mode, turbo mode, eco mode, and sleep mode. And it's designed for ultimate comfort as well. So it's easy to use. You just have to plug it in, no installation needed. It comes with an 80 centimeter cord, and basically it's great for climate control. So how to use the EpiCooler? It's very easy. You'll have to plug it in. As example, place the unit where you need comfort most, then connect it to a power outlet. Then choose your mode depending on the modes that we discussed and sit back and relax. You can see the comparison of it between it and others as well on the websites and also reviews from other people. Here you'll find also frequently asked questions section if you have one of these questions here answered. So if you find any of your questions that you have, you may find the answer here. But of course, before purchasing, just make sure to carefully review the product's information and make sure that this type of device is actually what you're looking for. Some of the performance, benefits, and figures is mentioned through the page are claims made by the company. So it's always a good idea to do your own research before spending any money. Also, if you want to order it, you can go to click on get an example, the discount, and if it's in stock, as an example, they'll take you where you can order it. If it's not, you will find nothing happening. And if they take you to the checkout experience, of course, just enter your payments and shipping information, and you should be good to go. According to the website, they offer a 30-day money back guarantee. But as I said, it's always a good idea to do your own research. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.